People fear for upbringing, for they haven't met yet. It happened on me all the time. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's all about what can you bring to the table. Speculating and wondering won't do anything. I mean, anything at all. It used to work like that. But this ultra modern day won't let us wait. They just want us to produce more. And it's weird because some say recession is coming in 2023. So I really don't understand. I mean, do we not slicing our soul on the hot rod every single day? What do we miss? Jesus Christ. I really hope he come down to the earth and judge all of us. And all of this crap. I mean, 2020 Corona was hard road for me. I closed my studio for a debt. Now recession? Come on. Why more advanced we become, more seductive all the needs, more fragile the society. It's ridiculous. Or wait, was it all lies?